Hey everyone, today I'm going to help you check your website score and its speed in less than 30 seconds for free. First, for this experiment, I'm choosing Apple website and then go to a next browser, type in PageSpeed Insights. And once you type in PageSpeed Insights, you'll have the first link. Please click through that. And guys, this is a Google PageSpeed Insights, so it's reliable. Now, copy the website URL and then try to paste it over here and then click on Analyze. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So this will help us browse both mobile and desktop speeds and its SEO scores and web vitals. Perfect. Let's go to the first desktop. So its speed performance is 81%, accessibility is 93, best practices 100, and SEO is 92. Now let's check its mobile. So it's around 55 and SEO is about 92. So just to give you a quick brief, if it's above around 80, you're doing really good. If it's below 50, definitely something is wrong with your SEO and your website speed. So please try to fix them. It could be your website images or videos which are causing that effect, or even some JavaScript which is unnecessary on your website, which is causing that speed issues. I'm gonna make a next video which makes sure that it will help you literally optimize your images, where you can add it on your website without causing any page issues. If you want to watch that video, please subscribe and follow me. I'll help you. Hope this video is useful for you. See you in the next video. Take care.